Once upon a time, in an old seaside town in Massachusetts, there lived a quiet boy named Ethan. He was 13 years old and lived with his mother in a small wooden house near the ocean. Their house was not rich. The paint was old, the windows made soft sounds when the wind blew, and the smell of salt water was always in the air. Every morning, Ethan walked to school with his books close to his chest. He was kind, but very quiet. When other children laughed together, Ethan stood at the side. When he tried to speak, nobody listened for long. Slowly, he stopped trying. Deep inside, he wished someone would hear him without making fun of him. After school, Ethan did not run to play with other children. He walked alone to the old lighthouse at the edge of the rocky shore. The lighthouse was tall, white, and worn by many years of wind and rain. To other people, it was just an old building, but to Ethan, it felt like a friend. He sat on a flat rock near the door and talked to it every evening. He told the lighthouse about his school, his lonely lunch, and the children who called him strange. The waves answered with soft crashes. The wind moved around him like a whisper. Ethan would smile a little and say, "At least you listen." The lighthouse keeper was an old man named Mr. Harris. He had gray hair, kind eyes, and slow, careful steps. At first, he only watched Ethan from the doorway. Then one evening, he sat beside him and said, "You talk to this lighthouse like it has a heart." Ethan looked down and said, "Maybe it does. It never laughs at me." Mr. Harris did not laugh either. He said, "Then maybe you should learn how it works." From that day, Ethan watched him carefully. He learned how the lamp was cleaned. He learned how the light turned. He learned how fog made the sea dangerous. He learned that one small light could help boats find home. At school, nothing changed. Children still laughed when Ethan walked by. One boy said, "There goes the lighthouse kid." Another said, "Maybe he talks to rocks too." Ethan felt hurt, but he did not beg them to like him. He did not chase them. He did not shout, "Please listen to me." Instead, he went back to the lighthouse every evening. He watched. He learned. He helped Mr. Harris carry oil, clean glass, and check the lamp. What the children called strange was slowly becoming Ethan's secret strength. He did not know it yet, but every quiet evening was preparing him for one night the whole town would never forget. If this story is touching your heart, please like this video, subscribe to English Story Academy for more motivational English learning stories. One winter night, heavy fog covered the sea. The town disappeared under white mist. The boats were still out on the water, and the waves were getting stronger. Ethan was at home when he heard people shouting outside. "The lighthouse is dark." Someone cried. Ethan ran to the window. His heart jumped. The lighthouse lamp was not shining. Without that light, the fishing boats could move toward the rocks and never see them. Then another person shouted, "Mr. Harris is sick." For 1 second, everyone froze. The grown-ups looked at one another, scared and confused. They knew the lighthouse was important, but nobody knew how to start the lamp. Ethan grabbed his coat and ran into the fog. His mother called his name, but he kept running toward the shore. The wind pushed against him. The rocks were wet. The sea sounded angry. When Ethan reached the lighthouse, his hands were shaking, but his mind remembered everything. He remembered the door latch. He remembered the stairs. He remembered the lamp room. He remembered how Mr. Harris cleaned the glass and turned the handle. Step by step, Ethan did what he had watched for months. He worked quietly, carefully, and bravely. Then, suddenly, the great lamp woke up. A golden light cut through the fog and swept across the dark sea. Out on the water, the fishing boats saw the light and turned away from the rocks. One by one, they found the safe path home. The town stood silent on the shore as the lighthouse beam moved across their faces. The children from school looked up and saw Ethan standing in the lamp room window. The boy they had ignored was the reason their fathers, brothers, and neighbors came home safely. The next day, everyone wanted to talk to Ethan. They called him brave. They called him smart. But Ethan did not need their attention anymore. He had already learned his worth in silence. He had built his light quietly, and one day, that light spoke for him. If this story touched your heart, like this video and share it with someone who feels ignored today. Subscribe to English Story Academy, where every story makes you stronger, wiser, and better in English. Moral of the story: never beg for attention. Build your worth quietly, and one day your light will speak for you.